Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming accounts and installing tools. Connect your Facebook Business Manager, Commerce Manager, and Ad account, then install the official Facebook for Woocommerce plugin. Once done, make sure your site uses HTTPS and you have admin permissions on the Facebook page and pixel. This avoids permission errors. You'll need the page and pixel ID for mapping product actions and tracking. Now activate the plugin on WordPress and open its setup wizard to begin linking stores, because the wizard automates many token and permission steps. Next, you log into the plugin setup and select the correct business manager, Facebook page, catalog, and pixel so products route to the right catalog. As you map fields, make sure title, description, price, SKU, availability, and images match Facebook's schema to prevent rejected listings. Once mapping is validated, choose sync method, real-time webhooks for immediate updates, or daily scheduled sync to reduce API calls. Also review tax and shipping settings so checkout prices match. Inconsistent settings cause purchase drop-offs. Finally, verify your feed in Facebook's Catalog Manager. Check for errors, required attributes, and disapproved items, then correct product data in Woocommerce and resync. Once clean, publish collections and tag products in page posts or Instagram. Make sure checkout paths are enabled if you want on-platform purchases. If something goes wrong, reauthorize the plugin tokens, clear your site and CDN cache, and confirm pixel events fire. These steps resolve most sync and tracking failures. If issues persist, inspect plugin logs for API error codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.